Today, we're going to tackle a common issue: Windows 10 stuck on the restarting screen. If your computer is stuck on the restarting screen for too long, don't worry, I'll guide you through several methods to fix it. Method 1 is the simplest. Force restarting your computer. Sometimes a simple reboot can solve the issue. Press and hold the power button on your computer for about 10 seconds until it shuts down completely. Wait a few seconds and then press the power button again to turn it back on. If your computer boots up normally, great. If not, let's move on to the next method. Method 2 involves booting into safe mode, which starts Windows with a minimal set of drivers and services. Turn on your computer, and as soon as it starts to load Windows, press the power button again to turn it off. Repeat this process 3 times. On the 4th start, Windows will automatically enter the Windows recovery environment. Once in Windows recovery environment, go to troubleshoot, then on advanced options, go to startup settings and restart. After your PC restarts, you'll see a list of options. Press F4 to start in safe mode. If your computer successfully boots in safe mode, restart it normally from there to see if the problem is resolved. Method 3 is performing a system restore to revert your system back to a previous state when it was working fine. In Windows recovery mode, go to troubleshoot, again on advanced option and click system restore. Select your account and enter your password if prompted. Choose a restore point that was created before the issue started and follow the on-screen instructions to restore your system. Next method involves checking for hardware issues which can be causing the problem. Ensure all cables and components are securely connected. If you recently installed new hardware, try removing it to see if the issue is resolved. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these methods helped you fix your Windows 10 restarting issue.